7:12 a.m. Dallas is on Central Standard Time, which is 1 hour behind Atlanta. If you'd like to adjust your watches, feel free to do so. We do have you on the ground today about 26 minutes early. For your continued safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened and keep the aisles clear until we are safely parked at the gate and the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. At which time, please remember to check your surrounding seat area for any personal belongings such as tablets or cell phones. Please use caution when opening overhead compartments as carry-on items may move during landing. You may now switch out of airplane mode and use the cellular function of your electronic devices. And on behalf of your Dallas-Fort Worth-based crew and everyone here at American Airlines, as well as our One World Alliance partners, we'd like to thank you for choosing American Airlines this morning. We certainly hope you have enjoyed your flight, and we do look forward to seeing you again on a future American Airlines flight. We wish you a safe and pleasant stay in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, or wherever your travels may take you today. Enjoy the rest of your day, and have a safe and pleasant week. Once again, we will be arriving today at the Terminal, Gate 14. Baggage claim is